right, we are adding to Hannah's collection of sneakers. She's
Thank
gonna
you.
need a sneaker closet soon. All right,
I need one.
Open up your second pair.
I'm so glad you and I wear the same size. Thank you, Marissa.
I know. Let's hope I'm not growing because I feel like my feet are growing strangely enough.
Oh, you know what? They'll
that
grow
normal?
away, and then I'll just take everything.
Okay,
That's
all right.
okay.
You can take all my babies I've been wearing.
I will. I'll take them all. So
Goodbye,
what is?
300 pairs of sneakers. They're going to Hannah. She's
I'll
like,
take
please,
them.
please grow.
I have room somewhere. Okay, so what is in this lovely box?
I don't know. You're going to have to open it. Let's see what we have in here.
Okay. All right. So,
These
wow,
are
the pandas. Oh my
Highs.
gosh, everybody like in New York is wearing these, but they
This
don't
is
have
a
the
very
highs.
popular. They don't have the
I feel
highs.
like nobody has the highs. Is this like
It's because we're
special?
we're transitioning into warmer temperatures. Today was a nice day, Hannah.
Yeah, well, some places have warmer temperatures.
People don't want to keep their ankles warm, I guess, right now.
Okay, well, I need to keep my ankles warm because I live in New York. Oh my gosh, these are amazing.
Right?
I love
They're
them.
gonna go with
gorgeous.
everything.
Yes. Hey, black?
Black.
There you
I
go.
mean, as I
Like-
say that my Lego quote that I always say, I always wear black and sometimes dark gray.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
Right.
That's what he says.
Right. Or,
So this
or,
is my
or a
Batman
outfit.
sneaker.
Right.
Exactly. And you can
Right.
put this with some skirts, even a dress, and
Ooh,
wear it with
really?
your denim.
I
Right?
love,
Take
I love,
off her
I love.
boots, and she's gonna put her foot up in these, right?
I need to take off my boots.
Sock game. We have to
Finally.
go sock shopping for you.
Okay, what's the sock situation with these? Because I think it's like super specific, right?
You need
have
to wear
be
higher
comfortable.
socks because
Right.
you're gonna get
Yeah.
blisters on your
I know, but they can't peek
ankles.
out over the top of the shoe. So what's your
You can do some to peek out.
okay?
but
What's your go-to sock?
I like to wear, actually, probably the sock I'm wearing again. Do I throw my leg up one more time? Just
Right.
one more time.
So cute. And where do you get those?
Where did I buy these actually? Oh, you know what? I got these at Primark.
Okay.
These,
All right.
Primark is amazing. You can get 10 socks for $5.
Love it.
It's
That's
amazing.
my kind of
'Cause
sock.
I think
yeah.
there's a troll living in my house, and it
Yeah.
stills all of my socks.
No, they are. They're like little people that live in your
Why
house
do we
and they
only
come
have
and they
one
eat your
sock?
socks.
I really
Yeah,
don't
they eat
understand.
one. I love the tongue. Right there.
Right.
It's
Starting a
beautiful.
video of all our shoes that she
Thank you.
We're
It's
doing a
beautiful.
sneaker
And
unboxing
so are
right
you.
now.
I know.
We're starting your mom's sneaker collection.
Yeah, oh wait, there's my daughter and her friend Brooke. Well, you gotta swing the camera around. There we go. Okay, also,
You're
by
wearing
the
black
way,
and white right now.
and she will be stealing my
She's
sneakers.
gonna steal these pandas probably. Look at
These
the
are gonna
outfit
end
though.
up,
It's
these
big
pandas
really.
are going to end up with her.
Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at both the Dunk lows and the Dunk highs in what is known as the Panda color scheme or black and white color scheme. So let's take a quick sneak peek at both of these. Welcome back to another unboxing and review from you to the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, I'll leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out the join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about the most sought after colorway, I feel like, of this year. And it is definitely an easy colorway to work into your wardrobe. So we're going to do some comparisons between the two, talk about size and fit on these, talk about how and why these are so easy to style, and then we'll conclude with how crazy these have continued to stay in the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So as you can see, the base of both of these shoes is white leather, and then the top layering of the leather color scheme is just a simplistic black. The key differences that you see here is on the tongue. For the Dunk High, you're going to get that just hint of red, while on the lows, you only actually just have black and white. So this is a true black and white all over Panda, while this just has that hint of red, which isn't too noticeable or too distracting, I feel like, from that base color of black and white. Definitely a very, very easy color scheme to go with. It is just based on your preference, whether or not you like to wear a low or whether or not you like to wear a high top. For me, as we are reaching into the spring and summertime, I feel like the lows are definitely going to be a very, very sought after sneaker, just because I feel like when you're super toasty and hot in New York, I don't personally like wearing high tops of any sort. And I definitely don't like wearing my high dunks as well. I like to kind of transition to keep my ankles open, to keep that airflow going, and to keep my ankles cool. But definitely I feel like ladies are in love with these as well. A lot of my girlfriends are going after the lows just because they like to show their ankles. It elongates you a little bit more. The highs can actually make you look a little bit shorter by covering those ankles, but I'm not hating on them. I do love these too. I just feel like I would kind of style these differently depending on seasons. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on both of these. I am a size 7.5 in both, and I do have higher narrow feet. So depending on whether or not you have higher narrow feet or if you have flatter, wider feet, which could differentiate the size that works better for you, stick true to size on these. All right, so now let's also talk about styling. So as far as styling goes, this is just a really easy color to adapt into your wardrobe. If you're just starting out your sneaker collection, this is definitely a great sneaker to go with, just because it is so simplistic and easy for the color palette. So black and white basically goes with everything and anything. And as you know, I do love to wear me some black. So an all black look would go great with this. Denim looks go great with this. Also adding pops of color, you can also work this into that type of a wardrobe style as well. All right, as far as resale goes, these are killing it on the market. So this always has had a low price point for the lows, which is $100, while these are around $115. And it's just such a great price point for a sneaker. But as far as resale goes, because this colorway is so sought after, these are going for around $200 to $250, while the highs are going between $150 and $200. All right, there you have it. And that is the craze over the Panda Dunks. I just think that this is a great colorway that's going to last you a lifetime. So definitely do consider purchasing these, just because I think that this is the easiest colorway option if you are trying to transition that into your color scheme. If you do want to go a little more hype though, you can always go with Supreme. And this is definitely an option of the Panda Dunk. Just a little more scaled up. You've got the gold stars and the Supreme branding and everything on here. These are probably my favorite version of the black and white colorway. But definitely black and white, you can't go wrong. Thank you so much, everyone. If you've tuned in today and you were new here, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV and my name is Marissa. We'll catch you on the next episode.